Okay, so we call our first participant on stage, Dr. Nilesh Nolkha, please. Nilesh, as you saw, is a rheumatologist, and he is at Wockhardt Hospital, Mira Road. His first set of questions, of course, is on rheumatology, and the second will be a mixed bag. We have a countdown timer. Suraj, you can start the timer. At the end of 5 seconds, your questions will start.
So it will be displayed or just a verbal?
I'll tell you. Synovial biopsy is of greater diagnostic value in which type of chronic arthritis? Monoarticular or polyarticular?
Monoarticular.
Correct. What is the name given to an acute non-purulent arthritis that follows intestinal or urogenital infection and occurs predominantly in HLA-B27 persons?
Reactive arthritis.
Correct. Please don't answer. A chronic alcoholic presents with a nodule in the palm at the base of the fourth finger with inability to satisfactorily extend that finger. Diagnosis?
Cutaneous contraction.
Correct. What is the name given to reactive arthritis that complicates active tuberculosis?
Ponson's disease.
Correct. Which one of the 5 fingers of the hand is rarely affected in Raynaud's phenomenon? Which one of the 5 fingers of the hand is rarely affected in the Raynaud's phenomenon?
Little finger.
5th is incorrect. Please start. If a known case of rheumatoid arthritis reluctantly switches from contact lenses to regular spectacles, what pathology might have forced him to do the switch?
Lens edema.
Incorrect. A patient of Behçet syndrome may report development of pustules at the site of blood collection. What is this phenomenon called?
Pathargy.
Is correct. Name a cause of blindness which is preventable by timely administration of steroids.
Anterior uveitis.
Incorrect. Which rheumatologic drug causes both weight loss and hair loss?
Leflunomide.
Is correct. Hydroxychloroquine is safe in pregnancy. Name one more disease modifying anti-rheumatoid drug that is safe in pregnancy.
Sulfasalazine.
Is correct. Why might it be difficult for a patient on methotrexate for rheumatoid arthritis to travel first time to Kenya?
Why it might be?
Difficult for a patient on methotrexate to travel first time to Kenya.
Pass.
Past. Which rheumatologic drug may worsen pain if initiated during acute gout?
Hypouricemic agent like aropininol.
Is correct. Of the following lab tests, which one costs the most in a private lab? HLA-B27, anti-CCP antibodies or ANA?
ANA will be in dilution or?
ANA regular with titer, yes.
HLA-B27
is correct. In OA, if the bony enlargement on distal IP joints is called Heberden's nodes, what is it called on the PIP joints?
Bouchard node.
Is correct. What is the principal reason of choosing hydroxychloroquine over plain chloroquine in rheumatoid arthritis?
Less lipid deposition, less toxicity.
Incorrect.
Less retinal toxicity.
Yeah, I'll go to the question that you passed. Number 11. Why might it be difficult for a patient on methotrexate for rheumatoid arthritis to travel first time to Kenya?
More chances of infection.
Incorrect. Okay, I'll quickly give you the correct answers where you did not answer correctly. Which finger is rarely affected in Raynaud's phenomenon is the thumb. A rheumatoid arthritis patient reluctantly switches from contact lenses to regular spectacles because of Sjogren's syndrome and dryness of eyes. Blindness which is preventable by timely administration of steroids is temporal arteritis or giant cell arteritis. The person on methotrexate will not be able to travel first time to Kenya because the yellow fever vaccine is contraindicated in a patient with methotrexate, and the hydroxychloroquine is chosen over plain chloroquine because of less ocular toxicity. May I have this course? We have
so
10
that
correct.
Less toxicity one.
Less toxicity would be more specific to less ocular toxicity. I would have.
Retinal at the end.
I didn't hear retinal. Okay, but we'll give you 10 out of 15. Give him a big hand, please. You will stay here. Nilesh, your countdown begins now. Please don't answer, audience. Requested not to answer. Hyperuricemia is a side effect of which first line anti-tuberculous drug?
Pyrazinamide.
Correct. Name one opioid agonist approved for use in post-herpetic neuralgia.
Tramadol.
Correct. The best way to clean a denture is with toothpaste and toothbrush. True or false?
False.
Correct. Deficiency of B12 or cobalamin and of B1 or thiamine can cause dementia. Name one more vitamin whose deficiency can cause dementia.
Pyridoxine.
Incorrect. In lumbar disc prolapse, if the pain going down the lower limb is called sciatica, what is the pain confined to the lumbar region called?
In lumbar disc prolapse.
The pain is called sciatica if it goes down the limb. What is it called if it is just confined to the lumbar region?
Pass.
Miliaria rubra is a papular vesicular eruption of eccrine sweat glands that occurs in high heat and humidity. What is miliaria rubra, better known as to lay people? You will have to be quicker.
Pass.
If 140/90 is the defining level of hypertension in OPD, what is the defining level of hypertension in on 24-hour ambulatory BP monitoring?
Same.
Incorrect. If the content of injectable monosef is ceftriaxone, what is the content of oral monosef O tablets?
Cefixime.
Incorrect. Baclofen or lioresal is a skeletal muscle relaxant sometimes used for single tuss. What is single tuss?
Baclofen or?
Lioresal is the brand name. Is used for single tuss. What is single tuss?
Say anti-hiccup agent.
That's right. Flank pain, correct. Flank pain, hematuria and a lump in the abdomen are a classic clinical triad of which cancer?
Renal cancer.
Correct. If a patient has to be operated for cervical rib related complications, which rib is to be removed surgically?
Eighth rib, eighth cervical.
Incorrect. Colchicine may be used for months or years in selected patients of recurrent gout. Which blood test should be done periodically to monitor a side effect?
CPK.
Incorrect. Hypercalcemia due to excessive administration of vitamin D is more likely if a patient is on a particular group of antihypertensives. Which group will promote?
Calcium channel blockers.
Incorrect. Treatment with erythropoiesis stimulating agents like darbepoetin should not target a hemoglobin level above what?
11 gram per cent.
Incorrect. Herpes zoster typically causes unilateral, I'll finish because I've started. Herpes zoster typically causes unilateral rash, which is the only dermatome in which it causes rash on both sides of the midline.
C4.
Incorrect. Your time is up and you have, we give you the first correct answers where you could not answer. Then the vitamin that can cause dementia besides B12 and B1 is niacin or B3. Lumbago is the pain term used for localized lumbar region pain. Prickly heat is the layman's term for miliaria rubra. 135/85 is the BP defining hypertension in 24-hour ambulatory BP monitoring. Cefpodoxime is the content of monosef O. First rib is removed in a patient with cervical rib and symptoms. CBC is monitored for colchicine, and thiazides are the antihypertensive groups that can worsen hypercalcemia with vitamin D. And darbepoetin should not target a hemoglobin of more than 12. Bilateral herpes zoster is seen in sacral zoster. Your score is 5. So Nilesh, 5 plus 15, 20, big hand, sorry, 5 plus 10, 15 total.